very much no chin show kaima bagai. First of all, I'm no introduction, no listening and no request player in audience robux no siniana. Although you have done a lot of projects, so please in audience no introduction read.
Hello, I'm Subrajit Burma. First of all, I would like to thank Borok TV for calling me in this beautiful, what to say, on I thought evening or ringma bagai and Borok show ringma bagai Borok TV no hambai bakabai.
Ani mongke Tanushree Tripura dine ro Borok TV ano invite khaiman bagai belai no hambai.
Gay no tam klai amo kisa chini audience no sai khan.
Ang kata bele confused tau tam sana hai. Je jaga means je jaga opportunity ma nara acting bo khayo, and I have my own production house also, and main to choreography khayo, and other side acting bo khayo. That's it.
Ang tatawa sa sinani.
Tam sana ni work look cuts and like can appreciate kay ni wonderful work, wonderful music videos and pick like money. Gay abang bagi men kisa sana mo sung hani side di chin audience song na.
Asana tai tam sana ni ase acting si menu khayo tai ko ang kaisa project ni ba ko ro choreograph khaisa. Asana.
Okay, so balikan hambai no or phema bagi gay without further ado no is shown the format side na.
Okay.
No garo formal na ya, you can be casual, you can laugh. No masana ke masai mano anything you guys wanna do. So no ni baskang no na iPad kai ni tumo. Mokolo thup kan ke no mungsa ni yang nai. Do gay no abom no mokolo thup di gay no baskang no sin sam mo nai. No ko cham no guest play gay am hai same cham no second plate over nai. Gay no am sa way no price difference no sari. Bom morok bom klai. Do okay, you can put on your iPads. Kamu selek sama semua selek lagi. Perlu tidak? Nunho. Kamu masuk finger. Ya sih guys semua. Okay, ready you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go with the first round. Tangga yang mau sari sama mau tam.
Tangga sana.
Eko chips.
Chips, ya. Both chips yang mau?
Uncle chips.
Uncle chips.
Uncle chips. Masih sure no Uncle chips yang.
Ani favorite sih.
Dan favorite aku bagian yang saya mana? Okay. Mau Uncle chips. Norok sana ke saya mana? Try claim mana?
Uncle chips no.
Uncle chips no. Sure ekdom.
Yes.
Okay. We'll go with the second round. Very rezak kan nombus kamu norok aku try claim mana? So no more side na ready tam mo serek. Tam kana mo?
I think lace.
Atau no, lace no. Lace no.
The first ni kay tamo? Hajin ni kay?
Uncle chips.
Uncle chips omong kay?
Lace.
Lace. Okay, you guys are both correct. First ni kay Uncle chips, tao ni kay lace. So we'll go with the second round. Romai sadi seno ang tam. Mambus kamu beres aku. Tam kenal tukar lo.
Singra.
Singra tu apa? Kamu ke romai nela singra datang mau apa?
Singra hai ke nama tong le ro gerak kaya itu nih.
Nino ke kerak aku kere, senyara kan? Ada? Confused.
Singra hai ke nama tong gua.
Tanushree guys singra. Subrajit guys.
Singra no.
Singra no. Okay, Tanushree. Kamu singra.
Singra no.
Neng taste kayak apa? No, because second plate renai. Am lo no try kayak masalah.
Om try kene?
Kamu try kayak second time lo try no kayak. Try klebe kan second plate singra rupanya nomor okay. Okay, second plate. Biar zakat nombor sekarang kita isa samosa singra Abu cawi sadi hazing sama de morok na omo de morok. Okay, so Subrajit bahan no tongkra.
Ko second ni morugo.
Second ni morugo?
Tak sama ni.
Okay, Subrajit ke?
Confused again. I think.
Tony ke smell bo alada.
Om to se morogo.
Omo motong hazing ni.
Tang ni.
Omo ni, omo motong.
Second ni.
Second ni. Subrajit ke? Omo tamo. Lain omo morok.
Om morogo. I think.
Omo morok na. So both of you are correct. Omo morogo. Okay, hazing first sama ni am kaya tay sakalai. So we'll go with the next round. Romai sadi omo tamo.
Jalebi.
Jalebi.
Yeah.
Jalebi. Whatever you want to call it. Okay. Try clean it. They will go with the second plate. Second plate depending on the first plate. Sabi kan ke. First plate sabi kan ke anas. So those are thoksa kote rohan no tini. Kis so. Okay, we'll go with the second plate. So try clean one bus kamo berazak. No bahay ro mana ke bahay ro nai ne no bo mo tong ni. And guess clean one bo moro bo klai.
Second ni morugo. Angka kisah gi angka gi rasa sama ya. Second morug thoto. Tam ni ke gi bahai.
So is it okay?
First ni.
First ni moro. Why reason sadi? Angge first ni moro.
Because second ni belai ketika bang kahit madong.
Okay, dam kom saka bro masak. Ano na ble? So ano na answer is na. Tanushree, you are absolutely right. First ni gangai kalai. Second, oh sorry, I had a mistake in tanga. First ni si actually kaham. Second ni gangai Subrajit ni gangai correct. The second one is the bad one. Okay, so all round round, sana mo Subrajit, you are the winner. Okay, so we'll go with the next round. Okay, berazak anong bas kamo berazak tong okap noro bis abnon tisay nungay manong tay saw manong sa nong amutam. Okay, borong kakao. Left to. Na right to.
Mai ko na.
Mas gan ka bisa main niya di ko kung so bis ni kap no ta ko berazak no.
Ana yang rom sang no.
Kap kay ni tong Tanushree.
Ni dia ko sana bile.
Anjak.
Iko.
Because Subrajit have carry ka no.
Oh.
Nor try kay no tay sayo na amutam.
Confused.
Nor zotan nungay ni manong. Zona tay sayo niya guys. Just nobody tay sari. Among kanao mo. What is it? Bahay da motor. Bahay da mana. Lek jo ni na bahay da. Oga na gini to bin ka. Na restaurant ni 5 star ni. Nungay ka? Amo tamo.
Cha.
Amo tea. Okay, amo gay Subrajit, what is it? Tea or coffee? We can switch.
Wait. Tea, I think.
Tea. Okay, you guys are absolutely correct. Since not we'll go with the second round. Take is a tea and kind of okay, which one is expensive? Bom morok, bom kalai.
Okay.
Try kay norok tao. Okay. Tama na. Toglia is tamzan man ka Tanushree. Toglia.
Ama tholias.
Guess hari Mumbai. Bomo Morok, Bomo Klai.
Ko tasing ni second ni Borok.
Second ni Morok, Bomo tabuk ni masih second.
Almost second.
Oh. First ni.
Subrajit, nang masuk.
Wait.
Okay, you can try. You can have all your time.
Apa Morok tiga?
Oh, Morok. Subrajit, you are absolutely wrong. I'm a bad tea, actually. First ni guys, expensive. Okay? Taman mo masanay tam gay first ni kay expensive ma tong Tanushree na second ni kitang gay.
Tam ni ke elaichi dari sai ma ya ang bu man ya ang cha bonong ya ko. But hai pan tam jani rizak or smell phayo. Nang ke tam jani bu ko hai.
Oh, first ni dan second ni.
First ni.
Okay. So first ni because elaichi rizak ang bagay ang rock. And you are absolutely correct. Guys, from here we're moving on to the next round. Biar sak Subrajit no na man. Borok kana. Yes. Amo.
Cake dah.
Sidor cake da.
Cake no.
Cake.
Cake. Okay, cake. This is cake. Ginoro mo chay ni man ako no second plate. Ano na yung mga tayo cake. Ang matsawing nga compare tayo sabi which one is expensive and which one is the least expensive. Tanushree, dating the kai dong tayo sa sabi cake. Sana mo sungke. Tam flavor na ang sangay ng flavor. Oh, actually, not kayo no tam flavor ang sangli ang tayo. The question has been nullified. Okay, so we'll go with the second plate. And it's always which one is the most expensive one and which one is the least.
First ni.
First ni
Dam.
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 Rishi. Okay. That's Tanushree's answer for you all. And we have Subrajit still trying out the cake. Try dong ko. Bini taste buds amo bono sayang dong ka amo bomo expensive bomo kalay.
Wrong Somalia.
Wrong Somalia. Say na man ang nang say tong man cake no. If you want we can provide you more. Try man tayo siya.
I think first one.
First one is tamo.
Tiga calm quality I think.
Calm quality. And second one is the lower quality. Which means the first one first one is expensive.
Yeah.
The second one is cheaper. Am I right?
Yeah.
So both of you are absolutely correct. The first one is expensive. It's taken from a restaurant in Agartala. Because we don't get sponsors. And the second one is from nearby our office. So that's all I would say. So we're done with this round. We'll go with the next round. What is it? Tanushree, bas kamu bela zakon.
Kak puta.
Apa ya? Nah, itu lagi kisah. Kesana guys.
Oh.
What is it? Strange. Tamon kenapa? Tanushree. Tamon kenapa? Saya malia. Doubt.
Thumbs up kena.
Thumbs up kena. You're not sure.
Thumbs up no.
Thumbs up no. So what is it? What is it? Saya malia.
Coke I think.
Coke. Okay, we'll go with the next one. Similar beverage, better Zakno Ramno, try lemon. Okay. Borok. Yes. Yes. Tam Tanushree, thấy không? Tam sẽ sao không? Tam sinh không? Tam will drink và similar taste. Thấy chưa như vậy tam không? Ama he wants to talk, he wants to talk.
Seriously, chef.
So sorry, thấy chưa như không tahu tam.
cái có ta sẽ nè Coca-Cola thật đấy vô có thumbs up
First ni ke thumbs up.
Coca-Cola
First ni ke Coca-Cola.
second cái
Second ke
thumbs up
second ke thumbs up. Subrajit,
No comment.
no comment mas mar na. Confused. Nên confusion no taisa no ready. No taisa rui mana i round ni je drink no money. Taisa rui mana no. Musum ke. Nên try ke mana.
Rom Somalia.
Ram Somalia. Dom mana ko fana tir ko sidi kan sia. What do you think? What can it be? Ta mung kana mo.
Phaya song dang habum.
Still, nên try ke mana guess ke mana.
sẽ có fan sai đấy chứ
Je ko no fan side sidi. Da.
Okay, thumbs up.
Second ni ke?
Thumbs up.
First ni ke?
First ni Coke.
Tanushree was same. First ni Coke, second ni thumbs up. Am I there? No, Canino, absolutely wrong. First ni ka thumbs up, second ni ka Coke. So with this we come to the end of our show for today. Okay, not only iPad, not only and as far as all the answers, Subrajit one round by ahead, actually, and both of you guys have done actually really good, exceptionally good, I would say. Okay, and thank you guys for always coming here. And before leaving the show, I'm not going to future project. What are you working on, and where many followers or no? Could you please give a glimpse of your life to us?
As always, maximum time online tonga, Instagram and Facebook. But Facebook I'm so active, yeah. But Instagram active Subrajit Popmers official and upcoming projects so kaisa movie and of course music video to tonga. Duita music video fight tonga and kaisa movie. Amo tabo reveal khai komo secret.
Okay, so Tanushree, you're next. What is next for you?
anh to project phải rằng nó already anh cái các bạn nó sure anh thấy mấy cái tát ako cái sai film này cái tông có ở khai ở tang cái sai bạn sao liều
everything is surprise for all of us, but we thank each and every one of you. We thank you very much for coming to this show and taking your time out from your busy schedule, and we wish you all the best. And thank you again, Subrajit, no t-shirt, t-shirt from our side, a token of love. Since we're one round ahead, and we're really sorry, Tanushree, no, this time, but nevertheless, and hopefully that time you do really great. Okay, Subrajit, this is for you.
Thank you so much.
Could you show it to our viewers?
Always my favorite. The Prasa t-shirt is my always favorite.
Okay, so thank you very much. And with this, we come to the end of today's show. Thank you very much. Do keep on watching us and keep on waiting and subscribing to us on our app.